Hello everyone. In a previous video I showed you the new feature of adding filters and frames to Microsoft Teams meetings, but I didn't notice that you can combine them. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm in a meeting which is called test meeting. I'll join and we have here a video effect. As you see, there's something already set. Now what we can do is actually, I'll increase this and I'll go to more videos and effects. So what we can do is I can choose a background which is, let's say, this cute thing, and in addition I can scroll down and I can choose a frame. So let's take the frame of this colorful rainbow. And what we can do is take also a style which is black and white. So actually you see we can combine between the style and the background. We cannot combine between style and frame, but if you noticed, I can change actually the background, and the style will remain like that. So I can choose this thing. So this is actually what we could do is to choose, for instance, the background and like the frame, or we can actually just take the style. So what you see here, so now we have the style. We could have no background and just use these filters and styles. So this is what I wanted to show you. That not only we can do one or the other, or we can combine both of them. So see you in the next episode. Goodbye.